Having to manually manage your money, moving cash from your checking to your savings, or paying down a credit card, it can feel like a real chore, right? But what if you could take control and move your money instantly, 24/7, right from your phone or computer? Welcome. This is your quick guide to making seamless internal transfers between your region's accounts. Whether you're topping up your savings, paying a region's loan, or making a quick move from your checking, we've got you covered. Best of all, it's completely free and the money moves immediately for same-day, one-time transfers before the 8 p.m. Central Time cutoff time. We'll walk you through the simple steps using either the region's mobile app or online banking. Let's start with the app, since it's probably what you use the most. First, log into the region's mobile app on your device. Once you're in, look for it and tap the Pay and Transfer option on the bottom navigation bar. From there, select Transfer Money, and then choose Internal Transfers to move money between your own region's accounts. Next, you'll simply select the From account and the To account. You can move money between any of your eligible accounts, like checking to savings, or even to a region's credit card or loan. Enter the dollar amount you want to transfer, select whether it's a one-time transfer or a recurring transfer, and set the date. A one-time, same-day transfer made before 8 p.m. Central Time will process instantly. Finally, review the details and confirm the transfer. That's it. Now, if you prefer using a desktop, the process is just as easy through Regions Online Banking. After logging in, look for the main menu and select Transfers, then click on Internal Transfer. You'll see a screen very similar to the app. Choose your From and To accounts, enter the amount, select the date, and choose your frequency, again, either one-time or setting up a recurring transfer for regular payments or savings deposits. Review your choices and hit Submit. If you ever need to check or adjust a transfer you've set up for a future date, just navigate to the Activity tab in the Transfers section of Online Banking. Remember, a one-time, same-day transfer processes right away and can't be modified. And that is how simple it is to take control of your money and move funds instantly, securely, and for free between your region's accounts. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.